At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are here at, we're kind of right around the marina area of Pineland, also known as Safety Harbor Marina. And today we're going to take you on a little tour that we like to take our clients on who come into town and love boating, fishing, and just the waterfront lifestyle in general.
Yes. Just so many times we get calls from people who never even been to Cape Coral area and they want to know about the waterways and stuff, and they want to live here already without even being here. And so one of the things that we like to do is do what we call a familiarity tour, and we take everybody on this tour to show them what it's really like to, life on the water here and all the beautiful things, so that I think they get a head start by knowing this stuff before they even move down here.
Absolutely. I mean, they're already pre-sold on the area before they get here, and when they see the water, oh my goodness, it just really seals the deal for them.
Yes, absolutely. Behind us, so the thing is, right now we're going out of Pineland Marina, like Lona was saying, called Safety Harbor, and behind us is a place called Tarpon Lodge. Is an awesome bar, restaurant, and hotel that you can stay at.
They also have cottages that you can rent. You're right here on the water, and when you go there, I recommend going for dinner around sunset because the back is facing west over the water, and the sunsets are the most magnificent that you may ever see.
Yes. And what's also unique about this particular marina is the channel that you have to go through when you're leaving and coming back. And that's this real narrow, shallow channel, and there's only supposed to be one boat coming in or in the channel at a time because it's so narrow, and you have to give way for the boats coming in. Those rules are not always followed, right?
Not everybody knows the rules of the waterways, and I will say we've seen some situations get pretty heated before. It gets a little dicey out here.
Speaking of rules of the road here, just being a knowledgeable captain, you got to know this water is 80% of the water is 3 feet deep or less, and so there's a lot of oyster beds and things like that out here that you can get caught up on. So you really need to know where to go, and that's part of our familiarity tour, right? Showing people where to go.
Oyster beds, guys. Sandbars pop up everywhere because it is so shallow. So you really have to know where you're going out here. Or you could get yourself in a situation real quick.
Yeah, so why don't you come along with us and let's show you our favorite spots that we like to show everyone.
Yeah, so here's what's going to happen. We're in the no wake zone, guys, but here in a minute we're going to get up on plane when we go through this channel, and I'm going to show you that. All right, here we go.
Is North Captiva to your left.
Yes.
You might be able to see my hand, and then over to the right is Boca Grande. And right behind us is Pine Island, just so you get an idea where we're at.
That's right. And that is exactly why this is one of our favorite locations to go out of, because you have so many options that are within like 15-minute boat ride from here.
Ready? Hold on.
Island.
Okay, so we're at our first stop on our tour. This is called Yusepa Island, right?
So much history here, guys. There's about 110 to 120 residential homes on the island. A great place to hang out, but you need to have a membership because it's a private island and club. So if you want to hang out, you can buy a social membership and go there for lunch or dinner or have a cocktail.
Yes, and some very, very famous people have been to this island, like the Rockefellers and
Shirley
Colliers,
Temple.
Shirley Temple, you know, just there's a list of famous people. I think Franklin Roosevelt, just the list goes on and on. And there's some known billionaires that live on the island, but they're really low key, which is really cool. And other history that I like to tell people is how on the island there's huge shell mounds, or at least one big shell mound that was built by the Calusa Indians. On top of that sits the Collier Inn, which is his hotel and bar and restaurant there on top of the mound. And it's got some historical significance because there's been archaeological digs and all kinds of other stuff there. What else?
The island is very much still like old Florida. If you look at all of the home styles, they're all the old white vinyl siding, kind of old Florida, real southern style, welcoming look. And I love the island for that and its natural beauty. They do not get bored there. They have their own beach area. They have life-size chests. They have a pool. They have 2 bars. And Yusepa Island is so much fun, and I hope you guys get an opportunity to check it out sometime.
Actually, we did a video on Yusepa Island. We will put that in there,
yeah.
Up to the side there, and so you can go and watch the Yusepa video and see all about Yusepa. It's a very, very cool place that you need to check out when you get down here.
Perfect. Let's move on to stop number 2.
Let's do it.
Okay guys, behind me is stop 2 on our tour, and this is the beautiful, lovely island known as Cayo Costa. This island has about 20-ish, say maybe 24-ish residential home sites, and guys, those are grandfathered in. They're not really allowing this island to be overbuilt. All of these home sites are really primitive though. They have solar and things like that to make their own power. This beautiful island has a Gulf side and it has a bay side. So when it's too rough to go around to the Gulf or the beach side, you can definitely go to the area known as the Cove or Pelican Bay and enjoy that side of the island as well. Now, as you can see, the water is really starting to change colors as we're getting closer to the Gulf side of the beach. So hang tight, guys. We're going to be off to stop number 3 soon. This is paradise. Okay guys, we are here at stop number 2 on the tour, and this is what dreams are made of. We're on the Gulf side of Cayo Costa Island, and this is our favorite spot to come hang out on the beach. This beach is only accessible by boat or by ferry, so not overcrowded like all the public beaches are. You can come here and socialize with some of the other boaters or just kind of hang out and do your own thing for the day.
Okay, this is stop number 3. This is North Captiva. It's adjacent to Cayo Costa where we just were. You can only get here by boat and by airplane because they got their little airstrip here. And we're going to take you to our secret favorite little spot where we go to cool down when it's really hot.
This is the backside of North Captiva. We were just on the Gulf side. And we're going around to a little area known as Safety Harbor. So when a storm pops up and you're on the Gulf side, you can hurry and pack up and come over here and get in this little cove area and kind of be out of the worst of it. restaurant called Mangoes that awaits us. It's our favorite place to cool off after being on the beach. As you can see, they have a little private marina here. There are some shops. Shopping if you want to pick up a little souvenir or t-shirt. There's ice cream, and we also have food and really delicious cocktails at Mangoes. How is it?
So very rummy.
Is it a rum runner?
Yeah.
Nice.
What did I get last time? A rum punch?
You got a rum. What's it, frozen? In the hut. Okay guys, we are here at stop number 4. This is going to be our final stop for today, and this is a little slice of paradise known as Cabbage Key. All of the locals in the area know that this is where you come get a cheeseburger in paradise, and you may get to check out some cool turtles that are on the premises that are named after the famous Ninja Turtles. And I think Doug's gonna bring it home with his favorite thing, which is the cabbage creeper. More on that coming up.
Such a natural.
Oh, just get you.
What's in a cabbage cake?
We're a white rum base or house pina colada mix, which is cocoa Lopez and pineapple juice, and a coffee with pork flavor.
Nice.
Very good.
What do you think?
Spectacular.
Okay guys, that concludes our client familiarity tour for today. We hope you enjoyed exploring some of the most gorgeous pieces of our paradise with us. And if you guys found value in this, would you go ahead and like our channel and subscribe to it and share it with someone else who you think may also find it valuable. We just want to thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in paradise.